What's up, Rockets? I'm Chandler Cavalier-Solis.
And I'm Tony Freelon.
And this is J-Rocket TV. Our top story, a group of violent storms and tornadoes hit America's South and Midwest on March 31st, 2023, killing 32 people and injuring dozens.
The tornadoes crushed homes, businesses, and trees, and cars were sent flying. The storms destroyed parts of Wynne, Arkansas, and North Little Rock. More than 50 tornadoes were reported in 7 states.
Multiple victims were reported in Arkansas, Indiana, and Tennessee. Parts of Oklahoma and Texas are now under a tornado watch, with large hail and damaging winds expected.
The storm's impact has left many without power, and recovery and rebuilding efforts are now underway.
In tech news, the U.S. government is concerned that Tik Tok, a social media app owned by the Chinese company ByteDance Limited, may threaten the privacy and national security of Americans.
Congress is skeptical that TikTok could be made safe for domestic users. Prior to TikTok CEO Shou Zichu's testimony, ByteDance had planned to keep the company together and store data for American users in the U.S., but lawmakers did not believe the plan would protect U.S. users.
The U.S. government is considering forcing ByteDance to spin off TikTok's U.S. subsidiary or sell it to an American company.
And now, here's Devon with the video game review.
What's up, Rockets? I'm Devon Elkins. We finally get to talk about the Wizarding World. That's right, we're talking about Hogwarts Legacy. Hogwarts Legacy is not your standard Harry Potter game. It follows your own path the moment you choose what house you're in. From flying broomsticks to making potions, there's plenty to do in this open world experience. That's right, open world. This game is not just Hogwarts. You can explore villages outside of Hogwarts, go in caves, solve Merlin trials, do time trials, and my favorite part is taming beasts. You just gotta know where to find them. Combat's more than just pressing 2 buttons. With 20 plus spells, there's plenty to choose from. But let's be honest here. Most of us would be using Avada Kedavra. My main complaint about this game is, where's Quidditch? Like, you made a whole open world game centered around Hogwarts and you made the stadium. Why not just implement the ability to play Quidditch? My other complaint is the lack of multiplayer mode in Hogwarts Legacy. Like, imagine you and 8 other players duking it out using unforgivable curses and fighting giant spiders and trolls together. It'll be more fun. Besides those 2 complaints, I would give this game an 8 out of 10, mainly because the game is no love tap, but isn't as challenging like a game like Elden Ring. The graphics are amazing, the story has absolutely nothing to do with Harry Potter at all, and it's just fun exploring. Well, that's enough rambling for Hogwarts Legacy. Peace.
During our last broadcast, we asked students to vote on which was their favorite commercial produced by Mr. B's AV production class.
Your choices were the reverse ring, the block button, the think drink, and the friends lists. And the winner is... the friends lenses. Thanks to all of the teachers and students who voted on these commercials.
Recently, Mr. B's AV Production 2 class was assigned to produce scenes from an existing movie or television show, and we'd like to once again ask for your help in deciding which one was the best.
First up, we have a scene from Ace Ventura, Pet Detective.
Good defense.
We're going downtown.
What do you want? HDS, sir. And how are you this afternoon? Alrighty then. I have a package for you. Sounds broken.
Most likely, sir. I'll bet you it was something nice, though.
Up next, here's a scene from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Did you see the headline? Russian tickets are fake. The nerve of some people.
I know. Forging a ticket. I mean, come on. One Wonka Whipple Scrumptious Fudge Meal delay, please. It's a golden ticket. You found Wonka's last golden ticket.
Listen, I'll buy it from you. I'll give you $50 and a new bicycle.
Are you crazy to offer 500?
Leave the kid alone. Listen, boy, run. And don't you stop until you get home.
And there you have it. Your choices once again are Ace Ventura Pet Detective and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Teachers, go ahead and have your students vote on which scene your students like the best and email the results back to Mr. B.
And now for this week's Word on the Street, here's Max and Monet.
Hey Monet, what's the word on the street?
What's your favorite cereal?
What's your favorite cereal?
Frosted Flakes.
Oh, hell yeah. I like Frosted Flakes.
Honeycombs.
Honeycombs? Oh, that's really good.
What's your favorite cereal?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Fruity Pebbles.
Fruity Pebbles? Okay, thank you. What's your favorite cereal?
Cookie Crisp. What's the best cereal out there?
Okay.
Captain Crunch.
Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops are so good. Hey, y'all. Yeah, thank you.
Captain Crunch for sure, easily. No contender, no contender.
What's your favorite cereal?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Fruit Loops.
Okay, thank you.
Fruity Pebbles. Cookie Crisps.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. What's your favorite cereal?
Chocolate Fruity Pebbles.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
So what's your favorite cereal?
The Chinese Chex Green Onion cereal.
I'm gonna say Cheerios.
Cheerios?
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty good. Thank you.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Yeah? Okay, thank you. Cocoa Pebbles. What's your favorite cereal?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Okay. What's your favorite cereal?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Okay.
Honey Bunches of Oats with almonds.
Almonds.
It's not bad.
What's your favorite cereal?
Cocoa Pebbles.
Cocoa Pebbles? Okay, thank you.
What's your favorite cereal?
Honey Nut Cheerios. What's your favorite cereal?
Fruity Pebbles. Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Okay, thank you guys.
What's y'all's favorite cereal?
You know, Fruity Pebbles, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Frosted Flakes. Yeah.
Bro, that's crazy.
Well, that's about all the time we have for this week, Rockets. I'm Chandler Cuvalier Solis.
And I'm Tony Freelon.
And this has been J-Rocket TV. To see more of our content and other broadcasts, make sure to subscribe to our channel at www.youtube.com/JRocketTV.
All right, buddy. Yeah.